What's up, it's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Before you throw away any of the pineapple skin, I want you to just stop right there. Please do not do this, because today I'm going to show you how to repurpose that pineapple skin to make a delicious antioxidant tea. This is the type of tea that is zero waste. It's great that you can use the scraps, and it's budget friendly, incredibly cheap. Honestly, I just love it. So I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some pineapple skin. You're also going to need some rosemary, some cinnamon sticks. I also have some freshly grated turmeric. I also have some fresh pineapple as well. The reason why I have this is because I usually use the core of the pineapple, but I didn't have that to hand. So I'm just using some chunks of pineapple that pretty much replicates what the core would have done. I also have some fresh ginger, some lime, some lemon juice. These are I've already extracted them, so they're freshly squeezed. I also have a small amount of coconut sugar. I typically like to have my pineapple tea on not really the sweet side. So I like to use coconut sugar because it has a low glycemic index and it doesn't make the tea overly sweet. So in terms of sweetener, you can use whatever you want. You can use stevia, you can use xylitol, you can use maple syrup if you want it more on the sweeter side. But I like to just play it safe by using coconut sugar. And I also have some apple cider vinegar for washing the pineapple skin, and of course some water as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is to place that pineapple skin in a large bowl. Then I'm going to pour some water on the pineapple skin along with some vinegar. And we're just going to leave it to soak for about 10 minutes. And this is going to help to shift any type of debris that is on the pineapple skin. So the next thing we're going to do is to rinse off the pineapple skin using a colander, and we're also going to use some fresh water just to completely rinse off the pineapple skin, just to make sure that the apple cider vinegar is no longer on the skin, and just to make sure that any debris as well or any type of dirt is completely removed from the pineapple skin before we proceed to make our pineapple tea. So the next thing you need to do is to add all of the ingredients, excluding the sweetener, to a large saucepan. So you want to add your pineapple skin, your rosemary, your cinnamon sticks, turmeric, ginger, pineapple chunks, lime juice, lemon juice, and then the water. So now you want to bring the pot to the boil, and once it's boiled, you can see mine is on P. I'm reducing it now to 4, which is medium-low heat, and then I'm going to put the lid on and leave it to simmer for up to an hour, but the longer you leave it to simmer, the better. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like after an hour. So I'm going to remove the lid, and then I'm going to add my coconut sugar and stir it in because it's a granulated sweetener and I want it to dissolve. So I'm going to put the lid back on and just let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to remove the lid and give the pineapple tea a quick stir. I'm also going to give you guys a close up so you can see what it looks like, and it really smells really nice. So what I'm going to do now is just switch off my stove and just leave it to slightly cool down. Not really cold, but just a tad bit cooler to work with. So now it's time to strain off our tea. So as you can see here, I have a jug and I also have a mesh strainer, and I'm using a ladle to ladle it into the jug just to separate the excess that we used to make the pineapple tea from the actual pineapple tea that we'll be drinking. So this is what the pineapple tea looks like once I've strained it off. Also, for those of you who are using a liquidized sweetener, then this is a perfect time for you to just stir yours in now. So this is how you make pineapple tea. This is a zero waste recipe. So the next time you have some pineapple skin left over, don't throw it away, just put it to the side and please consider making this pineapple tea. This is a tea that has so many health benefits to it. It's great for inflammation, it's great for your skin, it's great for gut health. Honestly, and those of you from the Caribbean who you know that we love the tea, so this is gonna give you a island vibe to it as well. That's why I really love this tea. It's not overly sweet and you can have it hot or even cold if you want to. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.